Hello, good morning, students. I'm again with you with a new video of the chapter Discovering It. The saga continues. It is for 11th class. Saga means a long story. And King Tut, actually, his name was Tutankhamen, and he was the last heir of a big empire, Egyptian empire. This is a living example of technology advancement. In this chapter, you will come to know the living examples of technology advancement. We accepted things and events attributing their cause to nature and her wrath. However, advancement in technology could give us a different picture. This way, it has become a habit with us to accept everything that history states and dictates. On the process, the modern world has found ways to offer a different view on it. In other words, the modern world has turned impossibilities to possibilities. Williams' report gives an insight into this. A mummy scanned, this is about a mummy which was scanned after 1,000 years has opened, and after this scanning it has opened new avenues regarding a cause of its death. The mummy referred to here is that of King Tut or Tutankhamen, meaning which means the meaning of the name Tutankhamen means the living image of Amun. Okay? Discovering Tut, the saga continues. The scanning of Tut's mummy also gave an insight as to how mummies were buried. This chapter actually telling us that how mummies used to be buried at that time in Egypt. Howard Carter, who scanned the body, found it difficult to extract the mummy. It became very difficult for Howard Carter to scan the body. The ritual resins, why so? Because the ritual resin is just like a medicated gum, had hardened there by cementing Tut to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. King Tut was buried in a gold coffin, and the medicated resin, that gum, that medicine which was used to protect it from the insects, it became cemented. It transformed into a cement like a structure or material which pasted the body of King Tut to its gold coffin. Carter finally had to chisel the mummy. Chisel means cut away, having no other option. He was not having any other option rather to cut it away because he wanted to scan the body. So it had to be removed from its gold coffin. And how did he remove it? Every major point was severed, means every major point of King Tut's body was being separated. Tut was buried with gold, which was meant to guarantee the resurrection, and was also buried with everyday things he would need in his afterlife. He was laden with so many materials, with all the required or necessary things which Egyptian people used to believe that after death there is a next life, there is an afterlife, and where the kings can use their belongings. Tut also had things to take on his journey to the great beyond, glittering goods, precious collars, necklaces, and sandals, all of pure gold, and the material which was being buried with him was made up of pure gold. Technology hasn't been able to give us a definite answer to Tut's death. However, the body was scanned to know the reason behind the death. What was the cause of death? We people even now don't know the reason behind his death, but it has disclosed many other things. However, it has given us a direction to think and proceed. Maybe in future technology would solve it for us. Maybe in future we would come to know the reason behind death. The whole excavation and the scan required scores of people. It was a grueling job, and the workers had a tough time. After the pharaohs was rested in peace again, Jahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, said, I didn't sleep last night. Not for a second. I was worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. It just proves how tough the whole process was, in other words. This is a living example of technology. The scanning of Tut's mummy also gave an insight as to how mummies were buried. About the author, A.R. Williams developed a love for reading young age and in the fourth grade. When an assignment to write their own work of fiction was given to him, it occurred to him that he too could have the ability to craft tales for others to enjoy. This is about the author. These are the important questions of the chapter. Who is the King Tut? What made him the point of speculation world over? What changes in the nature was witnessed when King Tut's mummy gilded head first into a scanner? Why was King Tut's mummy CT scanned after Howard Carter had discovered it in 1922? These are the answers. You can note them down. Thank you. I hope you must have got a short summary of the chapter and you got a gist of the chapter, what is being there in the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.